guys, I'm Julian Rosti Morales and I'll be the one to teach you the steps in solving right triangles given word problems. Now let's start. First thing is that we must accomplish the illustration. Second step is that we must not forget the labels. Labels are so important so that we may indicate if a side is an opposite or adjacent one or a hypotenuse. Step number 3 is that we must know the given side or angle to use the appropriate functions we are going to use. Step number 4 is to create an equation we are going to use. Make sure to know the proper trigonometric ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent and its inverses. Step number 5 is to solve the equation. Write the final answer into 2 decimal places without rounding off. Once again, first thing we must accomplish is the illustration. So we have a right angle here. Let's say that this side is the flagpole itself, which has 20 feet, and this side as the shadow, which has 35 feet. Let's say that this is the sun's ray or the sunlight, and this is the sun, and we're going to find angle x. Let x be the angle of the sun when it hits the flagpole, and let beta be the angle of the sun when it forms with the shadow. So if we're going to find the angle x, we will use the tan function with x degrees is equals to the opposite side, which is 35, and the adjacent side, which is 20. So we will write 35 over 20. In a simplified form, we have 1.75. Equate it again to tan x degrees. Transpose tan with its inverse of 1.75, and then our answer will be 60.255 without rounding off. This is the angle of the sun when it hits the flagpole. In DMS form, we have 60 degrees, 15 minutes, and 8. So to find the angle of the sun when it forms with the shadow is this formula: beta is equals to 180 minus the sum of 90 degrees plus 60.25 degrees. Add 90 plus 65. So the answer, so to find the angle of the sun when it forms with the shadow is the beta, which is 180 degrees minus the sum of 90 degrees plus 60.25 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 150.25 degrees, and the answer is 29.75. It is the angle of the sun when it forms with a shadow. 29.75 degrees, and this one is 60.25 degrees. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and